Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the credential manager with the error code 0x800700425 when the credential manager service is not running. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So once it open the services, and dito lang sa services local, and then kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung credential manager. Alright, so scroll down, and then hanapin mo lang dito yung credential manager. Okay? So once na-locate mo na yung credential manager, and then select mo lang siya, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click and pop up itong kanyang credential manager properties. And next step, so dito lang sa general at dito lang sa startup type, so kailangan mo lang i-select yung arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito yung automatic. So, pwedeng automatic delayed start or automatic. So, either dyan sa dalawa, pwede po siya. And then, click mo lang yung automatic. And dito lang sa kanyang running, ay click mo lang dito yung stop. And then, wait natin. And then, dito sa kanyang service status, and then, click mo lang dito yung start. And wait natin. So, after dito, and then, click mo lang dito yung apply. And then, click mo lang dito yung okay. So, after dito sa services, and other solution na pwede natin gawin. So, dito lang ulit sa search menu and dito sa search for apps. So, type mo lang dito yung File Explorer, and then click mo lang dito yung open. So, once na-open mo na yung File Explorer, so ang next solution na gagawin natin dito is to reset the security permissions. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So, dito lang sa left side menu, and then select mo lang dito yung this PC, and dito lang sa right side ay select mo lang dito yung C drive dito sa devices and drives. Okay? So, select, and kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung program data. So, scroll down and select mo lang dito yung program data. So, kailangan mo ulit mag-double click dito. And dito sa kanyang program and data folder, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Microsoft folder. Alright? Ito siya. So, double click ulit dito. And dito lang sa Microsoft folder. So, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Vault folder. Okay? So, scroll down, and then i-select mo lang dito yung Vault folder. So, double click ulit. And then makikita mo ito mga kaibigan na numbers and yung letters combinations. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select yan, and then right click and select mo lang dito yung properties. So, dito lang sa kanyang properties, and then dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung security. So, click mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung advanced. So, i-click mo lang tong advanced. And then dito sa kanyang advanced settings, so dito lang sa owner, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung change. So click mo lang yan. And then pop up tong select user or group, right? So ang next step ay kailangan mo ulit i-click dito yung advanced. Click mo lang yan. And dito sa kanyang select user or group advanced, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung find now. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung ating username. Alright? So, click mo lang tong username, and then click mo lang dito yung OK, and then click mo lang dito yung OK, and then next step, so pop up ito ulit. So, dito lang sa owner, and then makikita mo dito yung replace owner on subcontainers and object. So, i-check mo lang tong box, and then click mo lang dito yung apply, click OK, click OK, click OK, and then close lang natin dito. At dito lang sa start menu, at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay? Click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix credential manager with the error code 0x800700425 and Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.